Hey everyone, we're going to make Ecobricks today. This is fun, easy and really good for the environment. We're going to take a whole lot of material that is unrecyclable, all those wrappers, all of that packaging that we can't put in the recycle bin, and we're going to stuff it inside plastic bottles and make Ecobricks. Really simple, lots of fun, great way of reducing the amount of waste that is going into our environment. So you're going to need to start collecting all of your waste from around your house. So this is just any pieces of plastic, etc. that you can't recycle. While you're doing that, you're going to also need a bucket of water. You can see in here we've got a bucket of water. This is some of the material that's dirty and it needs to be clean and dry before we actually put it into the bottle. So all you're going to need is some clean and empty bottles, some clean and empty non-recyclable plastic, a pair of scissors because we're going to have to chop it all up, and a stick to ram it in nice and firm into the plastic bottle. Now just remember, there's a few things here that we're not going to put in today, things that maybe are dirty, that we can recycle in other ways, etc., or we just cannot use inside the Ecobrick. So let's get into it and have some fun. So we've just spent the afternoon creating our Ecobrick here at the Litter Club. You can see it's packed solid. We have just a little bit of space left at the top. We're going to put the cap on, but this is incredible. Look at this. Now this came from this. We started with this morning, and here's where we're at. Solid, hard Ecobrick. Now, one thing about the Ecobrick is when you make them, they need to be of a specific size. Let me put that information up now. So make sure that when you fill the Ecobricks that they weigh the specific amount. They need to be nice and tightly packed all the way from the bottom up to the top. Also, here's some information that you need to record on your Ecobrick. So just make sure that you put the weight, when it was packed, who packed it, and the other information that you can now see on the screen. Hey, thanks so much for being part of the Litter Club and for sharing some time with us today to make our Ecobrick. If you have made Ecobricks, please look in your local area where to drop them off. There is always collection points everywhere. If you have any issues, questions or comments, please message us here at the Litter Club. Thanks so much.